pictures. But everybody's here. We had a duct job this morning. And Philip's winning calls. Stamp grill. There goes Ryan off to get the staple gun so we can put that plastic liner back on the ceiling. There we go. Another hot day, but at least we get to work inside today. At the Magnolia House.
The wires in my face. Yeah, I didn't pick up the strap gun the other day. Take that outside.
I got it. Yeah, it's still wet.
Going to cut these black straps. Probably gonna have to. And I got them tight.
So you need your measuring tape and measure that ring there.
Oh man, they put mastic on this collar
Yeah.
and then put this thing on here.
Wow.
You got to be kidding me. They didn't want it to come off. It wasn't coming off. But I bet we have a good old time trying to get a new one on there. So that 6-footer, you should be able to get in that attic over there and get that other end cut loose.
In the bedroom, in the scuttle hole?
In the hallway there. So that hallway. That side's good. Get this back side. It's gonna be fun, man. Put this in there. Because they're not $8 very good. They are.
Huh?
They're hardly like expensive the way they are.
You know,
This plumbing right here is the biggest thing. Almost need a bigger ladder. My biggest worry is these water lines. I'm ripping mine. All right. You need straps and strap gun.
Okay, you holding that
Yep.
so it don't fall?
Alright, Gail's getting it. Straps.
Yep.
Alright, you come here and do this?
No.
Okay, get.
All right.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
We got plenty if you need. Right. A lot of splinters. Tell me when we're in there. Are we in there?
Yep.
Alright, so we're just gonna use what we got here. I'm gonna leave it a full bag. I'd try to get mine like yours was.
Pretty good feed track on the plumbing.
Pretty good slot with the plumbing. So make up some straps.
Okay.
I'm just gonna have to do it like this. Alright, zip strap.
What do you want me to do over here?
We're gonna have to get that insulation up once I get this
Yeah.
strap.
Yes, sir.
Alright,
All right.
You gonna hand me the?
especially for two-story.
I was talking about them aluminum plates they got that are sharp
Oh yeah.
right at your elbow.
That's good right there.
Well, that'll work. She said they're coming shortly
They're
to.
coming tomorrow to put in the gravel.
Do I need a box for trash dust?
Probably just a bucket. We're
Yeah.
probably gonna use his shop now, got that filter in there.
Yeah, I'll bring his upstairs. Let me.
Go. But it will still be covered. That's all that matters. Alright.
Right.
talking about? Just covering it like this?
Yeah. That's all it is, an access hole. I don't want the heat out of here.
Right.
Coming into this bedroom. Wire nuts.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Bad things, you won't be able to see this, dude. Alright, so what do we got going on here?
Want some black tape? I'll go get it.
Electrical.
Yeah. All right. Well, the vacuum's right there.
Finish this check out.
And it's noon.
My phone's dead.
I'll go get the tablet.
I'll do break.
Yeah.
Ooh, wait till it opens all the way.